Oi, Chulongkoy! We have to go! Yeah!
Come on. Oh, mommy and daddy's there?
Come on! Hold mama! Nagkalimutan ng drink. Good girl.
I love my sister. I love my sister.
Do you?
Yeah, so much.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Hello. Pinapawisan na ako. Aga-aga. Hindi pa nga 8 o'clock eh. Hello. How many pacifier have you got? 2. Shabby? Show mama. Show mama. Lang. Oh, kagabi hindi ko na ipakita ata ito sa vlog. Wow! Binili ko sa Facebook Marketplace. And, pinadeliver ko kasi sobrang laki. Hindi ito kakasya sa car natin. Deliver siya mga 8 o'clock ata. Sobrang night na. Kaya hindi ko na naipakita sa vlog. Sobrang nice. Tignan nyo guys. Oh. Meron siyang pot na malaki. So, I'm still thinking kung saan ko siya ilalugay dito sa bahay. I really like parang green dito sa loob ng bahay. So, unfortunately, yung mga ibang plants natin before, namamatay sila guys. Ang hirap i-ano kasi sobrang init sa labas. Tapos, may tayo nag-air conditioner. Namamatay sila. Like, parang nagda-dry. Ewan ko. Hindi ko lang talaga siguro alam kung paano mag-alaga ng mabuti. So, I went for the safest option. Oh, sa artificial plant na hindi naman siya sobrang picky tingnan. Diba? Oh. Sobrang laki. Tingnan niyo kasi baby silin sa baba. So, initially, inisip ko na ilalagay ko siya sa bedroom kasi alam niyo yun guys na parang yung naboboard ka dito sa bahay, para inaano ko, dinidistract ko ang sarili ko na do something na makakapag-enjoy sa sarili ko. So, like, namimiss ko yung family ko sa Pinas, kaya ganyan. And then, parang yung life mo dito ba, nakaset na kasi parents go to school, tapos kami lang ni sarili dito sa bahay. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'll find something na parang na-enjoy kong gawin. So, yun yung naisip ko guys, na parang mag-decorate ako dito sa bahay. So, naisipan ko, bilhin yan para sa bedroom. But, I'll see, because I think that will look nice there as well. Yun siguro yung ilalagay ko sa bedroom. I'm not sure. Kasi ito siya lumalaki. May bago na namang ano, oh. Oh. Ba, sobrang ganda. Tumutubo talaga sila. Oh, what happened? I think this one is, yeah. So, ito yung bunot-bunot niya sa ilalim, guys. Kasi, para mas maganda siyang tingnan, dito yan siya nilalagay. Para mas natural siyang tingnan, hindi siya peking-peking. But I love it. Dalawa sana to siya, kaya lang na sold na yung isa nila before ako nag-inquire. Anyways, time check, it's 8 in the morning. Nag-upload ako ngayon ng video natin, guys. Ayan, oh, timing. Na-upload na siya. I-publish natin yan mamayang gabi. So, I'm just gonna make some... Oh, Linigel! Ay. Come here. I'm gonna make some pancake. Gising na yung Ate Paris natin kanina, kaya lang, yan, kinadul-kadul na naman na kanyang daddy sa bed. Natulog niya yata ulit. Come on, let's go make pancake. Pancake? Come. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Peekaboo. I see you. I see you. Ling. Boo. Come.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters in your away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't.
It's very warm outside today, as always. Kunin natin yung mga sinampay natin. They're very dry now for sure. Oh, super dry.
Is your body next to me on me?
We are out and about, people. Did you check how hot it is today? Oh my god. 31. Goodness gracious. Woo! Super bright. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Sunday market na malapit dito sa amin. They close at 12 and it's currently 10:30 in the morning. Maglalakad lang kami kasi malapit lang siya. And we'll see if there's anything left for us.
You mean the shop?
Yes.
And guys, after the shop, we're going to the pool.
Going to the pool. It's definitely a pool day today. It's very hot. Have a look at this tree, guys.
Where? That one?
Yeah. Look how luscious it is now. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Before, upaw yan siya. Walang dahon.
So bright.
I know.
I can't even see.
So what is it now, Bob? So summer. What's next to summer?
Autumn.
Autumn. Yeah. It's not summer anymore. Is it? November, December,
That's summer.
Hi.
January, and February. Yeah, it's still summer.
Hi.
Yes, sweetie.
Are you going to see the colors?
Yes, we are. Nakapag-lipstick si mami niyo today. Because why not? Ito yung lipstick na binili ko from Watson's. And I'm really liking it. Matte lang siya, guys. What is that? Flowers. Smells good? Smells good? Kati Paris naman pink. Hala.
This one
Tagal nating
smells
makarating
really
sa
good.
paruroonan natin.
Smell this. It smells really
Oh, it smells so good. Itong mga batang ere ay stop and start.
Nice, really close to this pink flower. Smells so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like rose.
Keep going. Ang ating baby sin ay ayaw na talagang mag-prom.
I'll put this in the bag.
Yeah, put it in the bag.
When we get to tunnels, I will bring it back out.
Okay. Stop muna kami sa cafe. Hello. Good, how are you? Hey. Yeah.
No, no, no.
What would you like, ate?
Ice chocolate.
Ice chocolate.
What have we decided today?
Someone's having her iced chocolate now. What did you get, Daddy? Ay, Allah, what na? Sirado na tong market karon. Come on now, the market's gonna close.
When? Now?
She's taking her time. Have a look at her. Oopsie. You right? You okay? Inom. Shh. Oy! Chulongkoy! We have to go! Wa na nabilin ng mama dito karon. Yeah!
Come on.
They all got hurt.
Mommy and Daddy said?
Come on! Hold mama! Nagkalimutan ng drink. Good girl. Stop muna kami ulit dito. Oh my God, sobrang init guys. Kaya nung nasa Pinas kami, sabi ni mama ko, ay, bilisan mo, sobrang init dyan. Hindi nila alam, mas mainit sa amin dito guys. Kahapon, I think it was 35 degrees. Ang Pilipinas, I think maximum 32 yata yung na-experience ko sa Pinas. Dito, nako, sobrang init. Brisbane kasi kami guys, very different sa kung saan kami nakatara before sa Melbourne. Maginaw.
It's beautiful.
Sa amin is summer na summer talaga.
God's country. No, it's God's country. It's like beautiful, sunny, tropical conditions.
Diyan lang guys. Sa building na yan. Maliit lang na space. So after the market, we are heading to Nando's for lunch. Magla-lunch kami. Here. We'll put these two together. Can we? No.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds.
So yun guys, magsuswimming sana kami ngayong hapon kasi sobrang init. But when we arrived back from our lunch, ay nakatulog ang ating baby Celine. So ayun, natutulog siya. Akit ko lang ito sa taas. Naghang ako ng mga damit sa baba kasi para madry siya. Very quickly yun siya madadry kasi sobrang init sa labas. Anyways, I'm just trying to organize this.
Yeah, I've had cupcakes for breakfast.
Trying to figure out kung saan ko ilalagay. So I'm thinking i-replace ko yung Bird of Paradise kasi I think this one looks good in here. Yung size niya and basta, it looks nice. So i-change ko doon. I'm not sure kung saan ko ilalagay muna yung Bird of Paradise. But yeah. Ate! Come help mama. Look,
That's refreshing.
look what we're gonna do. Hey, help me with this one.
I'm like, who are you? Wow. And so I reckon he is also very into his
So ito yung ilalagay natin sa ilalim ng plant na yan. Look at it.
all the events. I'm clearly very not very orthodox. Yes. His whole family
Wow.
probably.
We got more.
Do you think You're gonna have to become really orthodox. Just try to figure it out. He has openly had like a lot of like commitment issues, and I but it's kind of like to the point where it's almost there. Like when it's like we decide to take it down.
That's L-A-O-A.
Tingnan nyo, it looks so natural. Diyan.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't.
A few moments later.
Hi! Are you excited? Are you going for a swim?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Ito. Kanina pa ito naghihintay ba? Ating baby Celine ay nakatulog man sa bahay. Hinintay namin ginising. Finally. It's currently 3:19 in the afternoon. Sobrang taas pa rin ng araw, guys.
I brought Celine out already.
Did you? Be careful, huh? She might jump. What's in here? I think we got water only. We'll just bring this. Okay. Let's go.
Look my chin on the car.
Go.
Look at my chin on the car.
I can see.
I'm holding another person. Is that a cockroach? No, it
No,
isn't.
Paris nag-cockroach pa rin pala naon ako eh. Punong-puno ang kanilang car park. Snack time. What are you having, guys?
I'm having cracker cheese cracker.
If he's still telling us about bees
And you?
Having cheese
Oh,
cracker too.
cheese, tapos yung corn crackers sa kabila. Doon sa kanya, pinalaman. Wash! Tigulang naman kayo eh. Mabulingit.
cliffs are full of danger. Baloo, I must get Baloo. Today.
Who knows how far we go? Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just yourself.
Tingnan nyo ang dalawa dito. Oh. Tingnan nyo ang ginagawa. Nagbahay-bahayan.
Celine move.
Where is Lini?
Celine move.
Where are you going, T?
In the house.
In the house. I am folding all these clothes. Oh, ito na pala. So, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kanina. Nilagay ko dyan, tapos yung isa ay nandun. We just have to buy more hooks. Ganyan, oh, yung mga malalaki. Kasi, iyan ay palaging nahuhulog ba. Very dangerous kung nandito kami sa nakaupo tapos nahulog. So, bibili kami ng mga malalaking ano. So yeah, it looks nice. It just looks messy at the moment kasi nag-ano kami. But I really like it. I really like the look of like the greens and all that. Meron tayong green. Meron tayong green dito. Yes, anak. Oh. Oh. And our daddy Mike is washing dishes. Ayan, oh, malapit na siya matapos. He's cleaning the kitchen. Where is Lini? Boo! Ay! Where is Ate?
Boo!
Boo! Bulingit. Bulingit. Yes, alang. Just hang this one. See this one, guys? Alam niyo itong mga white shirts na to? This is from Pinas. So, binitbit ko sila pag uwi namin dito. Yes, anak. Ito yung mga binili ko na ukay-ukay na mga white teas. And nilabhan ko, may mga mancha-mancha pa yan siya, guys. Tapos I soaked them. Tapos lumabas sila, sobrang perfect. Puti-puti, very cute pa. Ito rin, oh, itong dress na to. Ito din galing. Actually, marami akong nadala ng mga ukay-ukay, guys. Nilabhan ko and they look very nice. Ito siya, tingnan niyo. Oh. Super cute, diba? Oh. Sinong may sabing 100 lang ito, guys. Nilabhan ko ng mabuti. Puting-puti. It looks very, very nice. Ayan. Marami akong mga bit-bit na mga ukay-ukay na binili ko. Yung mga live selling sa Pinas. Doon ko pinapadala sa mama ko. And then, ano ko na sila ngayon? Oh, ito. Kapag hindi ko naman sinuot, bumabalik din sila ng Pinas. Pinapasok ko sa balikbayan box. Which is good, diba? Hindi nasasayang. Guys, walang katapusang pagtutupi. Ayan. Meron pa. Habang ang dalawa ay nandito, naglalaro, kalat na naman. So, Daddy Marcus cooking dinner. What are you cooking, Daddy?
Like eggs. Chicken.
Naluto ng chef. Ang dalawa.
I fell off.
After ng dinner, tulog na to sila kaagad kasi may school pa bukas. Silly girls.
What's the sound of the dog? What's the sound? What's the sound of the horse? What's the sound of the horse?
The cat.
Is that the time when it's going to press?
What's the sound of the cat? Nakabihis na si Baby Celine, guys. Pangtulog ang ating ate Parsa. Hindi pa. Masitulog na sana si Baby Celine. Ito kay pumasok man.
I love my sister. I love my sister.
Do you?
Yeah, so much.
That's cute. That's cute. Do you love Ate Paris lang?
He loves me so much.
Do you love Ate Paris?
See?
Good night, everyone. Thank you very much for watching today's video. We'll see you all tomorrow.
See you next week.
Bye-bye. Love you guys. Mwah. Lang kiss lang.
Bye-bye.